adjourned board meeting had one agenda which was not completed, which was about the villages coming under the Greater Pending PDA. Now we have taken a decision to stand by our commitment to drop these villages, contentious villages, from the Greater Pending PDA as promised on Easter Eve. Basically, we have walked the talk. Now, exactly what the Greater Pending PDA will be, technically, will be explained by the Chief Town Planner. We have discussed all issues which have come in the public domain recently, including the decision to operationalize the Regional Plan 2021. It has been clearly explained and it has been held by the board that this decision was taken after a demand emanated in the Legislative Assembly from the representatives of the people that a regional plan that was notified had to be operationalized. This decision was taken by me, although I have not been, it is not my baby. I have neither conceptualized the regional plan nor notified it. It is only that I am just a minister now holding the portfolio of town and country plan. And government being continuous process, we have operationalized it. Now we have not operationalized the whole regional plan. We have operationalized it and we have seen to it that each of these cases that will be given permission goes through this 5-member committee. Now we have very clearly said, I have said in the written statement that I have issued to you that no decision is sacrosanct. It is not that we are completely in love with some decision. If flagrant violations are observed and these are being discussed in a democratic fashion in the right forum, which is the Legislative Assembly, we can reach any decision. But since the demand to operationalize the regional plan came from the members of the Legislative Assembly, the best possible forum for this fate of this regional plan to be decided should be the Legislative Assembly. And I think we should wait till that. Before that, the board is doing a complete study on all the cases, major conversions that have happened in the regional plan. The 5-member committee had asked the civic activists to furnish evidence so that action could be taken on cases that they have cited in the public meeting. But they are not forthcoming. In the light of this, the 5-member committee cannot proceed. They have taken some decision. Chief Town Planner is a member of that committee. He will explain what decision they have taken. We have not interfered in that decision. My direction was only that allegations that have come in the public domain need to be investigated by this committee. If there is wrongdoing, it has to be corrected. Corrected by even reversal. If it is wrong, if it is eco-sensitive areas have been wrongly converted. But information that is not forthcoming from the people who have complained publicly. Now, when it comes to other issues, like Town Planning Act itself, there have been demands that the Town Planning Act needs amendments, that it was drafted in 1974, that today we are in 2018. We should have an act that meets the challenges of the present day. So we are in the process of amending the act also to meet the challenges of the present day. But these amendments have to come in the Legislative Assembly. Basically, all these decisions that have been taken are in the interest of communities. We are clearly taking decisions not because we have been forced, not because of an agitation. These decisions are taken because we feel that what is good for the state has to be also good for the people. But somewhere there should be something which is the rule of law. This cannot continuously go on. Paralysis cannot be allowed. So these are decisions which we have taken. We have honored our commitment to drop the villages. we have also decided to have a very quick review of major conversions done under Regional Plan 2021. We have decided to also amend the Town Planning Act to prepare it to face challenges of the modern day. These are the demands which have basically come out in the public domain. So I think we have addressed most of the issues. Exactly what will be the constitution of the Greater PNGPDA will be explained by the Chief Town Planner. The demands that have come from people's representatives. If you will recall, the Greater PNGPDA was formed after elected members of the Legislative Assembly gave in writing, also submitted Gram Sabha resolutions that their areas should come under the Greater PNGPDA. Subsequently, the same MLAs had given in writing that they are opposed to this Greater PNGPDA. They being representatives of the people, their views have been taken into account and necessary changes have been done. So, the indirect representative democracy, good governance is not only being direct, it has to be indirect. Because people are elected, these people are elected by the people, their sentiments will be respected. It may so happen that demands are coming from elsewhere, but demands have not been coming from the elected representative, those things cannot be considered. Also, the development scenario in the state cannot just be paralyzed by saying that let us have nothing. So, constitutional methods should be followed. We are open to dialogue and discussion, as always. Although the other side has only made allegations, unsubstantiated allegations, because they are not coming forward to furnish proof of it. And we have taken these decisions in public interest. आणि एक डिसिजन घेतला की तालिगांव हो पयलींच्यान पिड्येन ना. मिनिमम 20-25 वर्सां जालीं तालिगांव पिड्येन ना. तालिगांव काडपाचो प्रश्न तुमचो पिपल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह म्हणटा, तुमची कोण ग्रामसभा म्हणटा कोण म्हणटा. तो तालिगांव उरताच. आतां आमी तालिगांव अप टू GMC आनी आमचो बांबोळी सर्वीस मेरेन आमी दवरतले. लोकांचें ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्लें की थंय नाकाच म्हणून. एक्चुअली तशें आमचें कर्तव्य जाता की GMC आमी घेवंक जाय आसलें. GMC is a government project which wants height, but considering to the demand of the public, we have decided to even drop it. We have brought from Taligaon up to Shama Prasad Mukherjee only on this side, not on the below side. जे गोंया की Aldea Goa, Grand Hyatt, तांची कन्वर्जन जातली, गांवाचेर स्थिरता जातली. So ती आमी we have not means that entire area is divided. We are only taking from Taligaon on this side of the university up to Shama Prasad Mukherjee, not beyond. गोंयचो आवाज म्हणटा पळय तो कोणाचो आवाज तो कळपाची गरज आसा. आवाज कसलो? गेले 5 वर्सांत 1 कोटी स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन कन्वर्ट जाली इल्लिगली आनी सब डिवायड जावन विकली. तेन्ना हो आवाज धरिल्लो खंय आशिल्लो आवाज? काय हो कालूच आयला भायर आशिल्लो आतां आयला बी अशें जायना. सी यू हॅव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल एज एन ऑपोजिशन. वेन यू मेक एलिगेशन्स यू हॅव टू सबस्टेंशिएट देम विथ प्रूफ. तुका रिस्पेक्ट दिवन आमी सुगो मोटो तुका इन्विटेशन धाडटा, तूं येना न्हय, तूं शूट एंड स्कूट फॉर्मुला वापरता, म्हणटा कितें आनी वता. दिस इज टिपिकल केजरीवाल स्टायल. एंड देन यू वील कम विथ अ अपॉलॉजी.
पयलीं ते नोटिफाय केल्ल्यो, तातूंत आमी बांबोली प्लॅनिंग एरिया म्हणून नोटिफाय केल्ली, कदंबा प्लॅनिंग एरिया म्हणून नोटिफाय केल्ली, आरपोरा नागवा पर्ला प्लॅनिंग एरिया जाली, तशेंच पेंगीन प्लॅनिंग एरिया जाल्ली आनी तालिगांव प्लॅनिंग एरिया. These were total 5 planning areas which were notified. Now, out of which there is Sarvam Dalajin, there are actually no issues about Penguin planning area, which is basically comprising of municipal area only. And second is Taligaon planning area, which is totally Taligaon Panchayat area. So there are no issues of that, neither there was any representation, as such they are not touched with. Now the question remains about 2 issues which were the most maybe debated as such or reviewed upon. of Kalapur, Bambolim, Kujira,
Kalapur, Bambolim,
Kujira, Kurka and Talawi. This was all about Bambolim planning area. This is Kadamba planning area or the other planning area. Zatun area actually revenue village areas of Chimbal, part revenue village areas of Talaulim, Gaulimola, Gansim, Azosim, Karambolim, Ella, Banginim and Panilim. So this was the main thing about Kadamba and Bambolim area. So आता आमने discussion झाली, various members expressed their views etc. That already सरांनी cover केले असंच की what is decided to be retained and what is to be excluded. In short, the सरांनी सांगितले in Bambolim planning area, जी आमची आता गोवा university side, from there including the university plan the share continuity that starts from Talegaon planning area continues into this planning area. Sinchana आयली मागीर गोवा university आयलो up to Shama Prasad Mukherjee पर्यंत. While coming to GMC, only on the left hand side of the road shall be retained. That too, only basically the plateau area, which is most of it is in any case under government acquired by Goa University, etc. So only that part is retained. Initially, during the deliberations which were being held with all those village committees and local MLAs also, Minister had expressed his desire to continue it up till like All India Radio, then GMC, then military area up till Bambolim cross. But now considering the sentiments of the public and local MLA, he said might as well drop that also and restricting to the main area of the little portion what I mentioned. That is the only part remaining in Bambolim planning area. Also, as regards to Kadamba planning area, Zatun सगळे villages असले into Chimbel, Talalim, Gaulimola, Gansi, Azosi, Karambolim, Ella, Bangini, हे सगळे असले. In that now what is decided to retain only that portion which is going. I mean, suppose Merce Circle झालेली, Merce Circle कडे आम्ही वर होता, म्हणजे old Goa. So ते दोन्ही साईडला म्हणजे याला सगळे पिढी. So as we climb the slope, जसे काही Millrock started, चढणी सडक पिढी. Somewhere from there, as we go further along that highway, up till Funds, as we Millrock Funds, ending up till there. That is the only area there. That is the only area which is being retained. Or that too, not entire area on the either side. Considering the road as a divider, about 100-150 on one side of the road, similarly 150 on the other side of the road. That will be the only kind of ribbon which will be retained in the planning area. This is all.